Emily West, and I'm an intern with the Martin Group at Big Block Realty. And I got the opportunity this week to go to the Best Real Estate Conference in La Jolla here in San Diego, California. It was just a really awesome experience to hear from all of the speakers there and hear kind of some of their tips and tricks for success in real estate, but also in business in general. Got to hear about how important it is to market yourself and how to use social media, and I got to hear from investors, and that was just really awesome to hear from people who are so successful in the real estate world. Throughout this whole internship, got to meet a ton of different people from escrow companies, title companies, investors, contractors, and I've just gotten to see all of the moving parts of the real estate process and how much work and how many people are involved in it. And I think that's something I didn't really think about before. And another thing that I really enjoyed was I got to do comps for Zap. So I got to calculate the home values and kind of like work that out with him and learn about how to comp properties. And so that was really awesome. And then I also got to go and see fixers with Zap. Zap did a 5-minute look through to assess just what will need repairs and everything. I did notice that just before we even walked in the house, there was some termite damage. So that's definitely gonna need to be replaced. Did look at the roof outside of the house and it looks like it's in pretty good condition. So that might be something we don't have to fix, which I thought was so much fun because I got to give my advice and my ideas for how they might be able to fix properties up. And so that was just really cool, and it's cool to see a house go from being a little bit rough to being this really amazing home and selling to a wonderful couple or a wonderful family. So it has been really awesome to get to work under him and learn from him and just have him share his wisdom with me. And it's also just been so amazing working with the Martin Group team. I don't think working with a team was something I had considered when I thought about going into real estate, but now I realize it's so much fun working with a team because you get to just celebrate together and learn from each other. Through this experience, I realized, okay, this is something that I think I could really enjoy and something that I think I could be really good at. So that has just been a really awesome insight and a really great opportunity for me to see that this is something that I actually want to pursue. Real estate is a lot of hard work and you have to hustle, but it also is so much fun and it's so rewarding. And so I just can't wait to get more involved and start putting my name out there and to get my license. And I'm just so grateful for the opportunity to learn here at the Martin Group. Yeah, I'm just so thankful for all the wisdom and knowledge that I've gained in my time here. Thanks.
My name is Zap Martin, and I'm the team leader of the Martin Group. One thing that sets college students apart is the ability to do internships where they get real-world, hands-on experience. We love bringing students in who get to do work and learn and grow in their field of interest. So if you're interested in business, accounting, real estate, finance, or marketing, contact us. We'd love to work with you and give you the opportunity to learn and grow before you graduate from college.